In that Bangalore division we are learning. Many things we learned about the Bangalore division. Same division only I am continuing today also children. In the last class we learned about the agriculture, industry and art, literature, dance, all that we learned. Today we are learning about the education and health. Education and health. See children, teaching the literature, I said 8 members received the Jnanapita Award in Karnataka. In that 3 are from Bangalore division. Explain to children. Yes, Kuvempu, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, you are Anantamurthy, this one. Same way, even Bharat Ratna Award. These are the great awards. Bharat Ratna Award, that one for the social work, any development they made, remarkable work they made in the society means the meaning Bharat Ratna Award for them. Like that, 2 members received that big honor it is, that is Bharat Ratna Award. It is given to 2 members in the Bangalore division, that is Sir M. Vishweshwaraya and C.N.R. Rao. These 2 members received the Bharat Ratna Award. Yes, next comes Sir C.V. Raman. He received the Nobel Prize. He received the Nobel Prize. It is for the scientist one. He is a physicist. For him, they given the Nobel Prize. See, these are the great honors. Jnanapita Award, Bharat Ratna Award, Nobel Prize. That one, these many members received this one. By this one, you can imagine it is a highly educated division. Yes, no children. Apart from this one, even not only schools and colleges, some matas are there. They are giving more preference for the education. Matas means already understood, I think. Siddhaganga Mata. Yes, no children. Like this, many matas are there. I will get out that one. That is, apart from the schools and colleges, many research centers are there in Bangalore division. Then scientific laboratories are there. Agriculture universities are there in Bangalore division. So development is there children. And matas I said no, in that Siddhaganga Mata. Many of you know this one, Siddhaganga Mata. Thousands of students are learning there. It is under the leadership of the Swamiji. His name is Shivkumar Swamiji. Sri Shivkumar Swamiji. Under his leadership, that Siddhaganga Mata is working. Then one more famous one is Adi Chunchandagiri Mata. It is under the leadership of the Sri Bal Gangadhar Nath. Swamiji's name is Bal Gangadhar Nath. Under his leadership, that Adi Chunchandagiri Mata is providing the education to the students. Then one more Mata, that is Muruga Rajendra Mata. It is and Sringeri Taralavaru Mata of Chitradurga. These all matas, they are giving more preference for the education. Boarding, lodging, education, everything they are providing children. They are giving the importance for the development of the children, because education is the root for the every success. How much you are getting education, that much you are having the prospered life, higher life you are having. So education is the basic thing for our children. Yes. Then this education and health, it is related children. Educated people means they are having very cautious about the hygiene. If any changes in their health or in the body means easily they will understand, and suddenly they will take care of the things, whatever changes they are feeling in their body or in their health. And they are aware of the medical facilities, what treatment should be taken, like that they are having somewhat idea. But if the people are uneducated means they will not take much care about their health. Negligence will be more. Nothing will happen, they will used to say. That is negligence, and they are not aware of the medical facilities. Because of that one, taking the health part means educated people people are having the more health than the illiterate people. Followed? Yes. However, the education is going higher, children. According to that, medical facilities, health is also improving. It is reflecting in the death rate and the birth rate. Because of improvement in the health, birth rate is high and the death rate is less. Followed, death rate, birth rate means per thousand how many children are taking birth. That is the percentage children it is. Same thing with the death rate also. How many people are dying. That number is called as a death rate. Death rate is reducing and the birth rate is increasing. It is in almost all the divisions. Yes, this is about the education and the health children. And government is also providing number of health facilities children. You know that ambulance facilities there, government hospitals are there, number of medicines, tablets freely they are providing. So all the facilities which is there in the every region, even in Bengaluru region also, because of that government facilities also, health is improved. Followed? Yes. Next topic is cultural contributions children. Take this one. This award is DMC and Nobel Prize means C. Raman also take. Yes, in the cultural contribution, in the beginning of the lesson only I said children, this division is rich in all the respect. Forest, rivers, tourist place, education, health, technology, everything it is a prospered division you can see. Number of tourist places are there, rivers are there, number of wildlife sanctuaries are there, bird sanctuaries are there. Yes, in Bengaluru only number of places are there to visit. Yes, no children. High Court is there, Vidhan Sabha is there, Tipu Palace is there, Lal Bagh is there, Kappan Park is there. Like this number of places are there. Surrounding also you can find the number of temples. Many temples are there. Likely to see there. Tourist place you can say them. In that Vidhan Sabha I wrote on the board children. Vidhan Sabha, it is the center of the Karnataka government. How parliament is there in Delhi, no? For central government like that. For Karnataka government, Vidhan Sabha. So this Vidhan Sabha is built during when Kengal Hanumanthaya. Kengal Hanumanthaya was the CM. Under his leadership, that Vidhan Sabha was built. Vidhan Sabha means it is a government office where our ministers and all they will sit and discuss the government official matters. They will take the decision. How parliament is there no, in Delhi, like that it is. Followed, and mini Vidhan Sabha is in Belagavi. While learning Belagavi division, we will take that one. Okay? Yes. This not only tourist place, not only the wildlife sanctuaries, forest, rivers, even writers also there. Already we learned that one. Many award-winning people also there. Apart from this, artisans are there. Maya Rao dancer and Gubbi Kirana, drama company head is. Then Anil Kumble, who is a cricketer, famous cricketer. He is also from the Bengaluru region. Like this, even famous personalities also there from the Bengaluru region. Followed children. These cultural, what are the places are there now? We are going, now we are learning one by one districts. All the districts in detail we are learning. That time I will take all the tourist places in detail. Okay. Now I am moving to freedom fighters. Number of freedom fighters are there children in the Bengaluru division. That one I will read out their name. Kengal Hanumanthaya, S. Nijlingappa, Shantaveri Gopalagowda, Kadidal Manjappa, Tita Sharma, then Bhagirathamma, even lady, also freedom fighter. Like this, many freedom fighters, they are also contributed for our freedom struggle children. See this whatever the topic you take, Bangalore division will be there. All the kinds of development people you can find in the Bangalore division. Followed? Yes. Yes, see here, Bangalore division is having 9 districts. All the districts are special in one thing. Some are having rivers, some are having forests, some are having tourist place. That one we are learning now. Okay, first I take the Bangalore urban district. Bangalore urban, Bangalore rural, like that are there. So we will take the Bangalore urban district. In the urban district, already I said to them, it is Bangalore city only. In that, what tourist places you can find, that one I will read out. That is High Court, Vidhan Saudha, Lal Bagh, Kabban Park, Nandi Hill, Infosys, Bannerghatta National Park, Someshwara Temple of Halsuru, Gavi Gangadhareshwara Temple, Dodda Basavana Temple, Dharmaswamy Temple, Kote Venkateramana Temple, St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph Church, Jamia Masjid and Kandaria Masjid. See children, it is a tourist place for all the regions. In that you will find the temples, church, mosque, all the things you will find in the Bangalore division. Bangalore urban district it is. Follow children? Yes. Then next comes second one, Bangalore rural it is. Rural district. This is formed in the year 1986 children. It is having 4 taluks and specialty of the Bangalore rural district is international airport is there. International airport in Devanahalli. There you find the international airport in the Devanahalli. I said 4 taluks are there, no children. That is Nagamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli and Hosakote. These are the taluks of the Bangalore rural district. Follow children? Yes. Like this, districts, how when they form and what things they are having, all that one is there. One by one I go children. So for today it is 2 are enough children. Next one I will take in the next class. For today's session we take the homework. Yes. Name 2 Bharata Ratna awardees from Bangalore division. 2 names are right. Where is Vidhan Saudha? Name 2 freedom fighters from Bangalore division. Many are there. 2 names are right. Where is International Airport? Just I told you that's right. Okay. For today it is enough. Another results I will take in the next class. Okay. Thank you.